blue Exaveria. Let's take a look at it just by with the picture. Look at this. Beautiful. Hey, guys, this is another balcony garden update. Coming out here to check on my propagated plant. It seems to be doing okay. I just stuck it in the dirt here with this gorgeous plant. It rained last night, so the plants got a little drink of water, and they look like they really enjoyed it. So what are we going to talk about today is extension of what going on. Guess I'll put this up here. This is another one of my succulents. It turned into, this looked like my blue Exaveria. This mama turned into a freaking tree. Look at that. I need to pick all the little dead leaves off of it. Hold on, guys. Okay, now you can really see the tree resemblance of a tree, which I just should say it is growing into a tree. It's a beautiful, I think it's the blue Exaveria plant. I had no idea this plant could grow into a tree monster. That's what it looks like, a tree monster. But it's beautiful. I love the design of how it's doing itself by ornamentally using its own leaves and limbs and stems and whatever to decorate it. So it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. I wonder how much they would put the price tag this would be on this plant for looking so cute and pretty and beautiful. I love it. If I was at the Home Depot, Lowe's, somewhere at one of the garden centers, I would immediately fall in love with this plant looking like this. Look at that. Don't tell me you guys don't want this. It is beautiful. But this is part of the garden update, sharing what the plants are doing, developing, progressing, how they're carrying on with their beautiful livelihood and so and so and so forth and so forth. My little ecosystem out here, sorry about that, we had a malfunction, but I'm back. Anyway, y'all let me know how you feel about this beautiful, I think it's an Exaveria, a blue Exaveria. Well, if you check out my garden updates, camera going crazy. I don't know, I guess I need to charge it. But thanks for watching. Welcome back everyone and all of you guys, sub or not.